to share the right way to use the Monet IR Clinical Hair Serum, which is award-winning. This has caffeine, biotin, and melatonin that actually helps clear up the DHA buildup, which is actually the reason for why the products, whatever you use, don't seep into your scalp and don't actually help you for hair growth. So there are two ways that I will show you. The first thing is to fill this dropper, and let me tell you that a small quantity goes a long way. So we just need one drop. Whatever the dropper fills in one time is all that you need for a one-time application. You could either, if you can, the best way is actually not to take it in your hands, and you can just slightly go from left to right and release little of the product. But if you think you're not very confident about how to press the dropper or anything, then I'm going to give you a 5-finger rule. So you can just put one drop on every finger, right? And that will pretty much empty your thing, and then just go into your scalp like this. Isn't that easy? And then slightly massage. Just make sure that your hair is already detangled before you start this process. And that's about it. So it's either go about this and then leave this and then slightly do a massage with both your arms. Remember not to be very rough on your scalp, just slightly massage the product into your scalp. And if you are confident, then you can just take a full dropper. Full dropper, this is like a little extra for now, but yeah, just to show you, slightly just release a little bit of the product on both sides of the scalp. You see? Just a little bit. Slightly the thing, you could just try it and then yeah, that's it. And then after that again, as I just showed, slightly massage. And this right time to do it is probably before you sleep, and this needs to be applied every day, especially in the first 3 months of application. And before sleeping, always remember to tie your hair and use a silk or satin scrunchie. If you have long hair like mine, then tie it into a loose plait, or if you have shorter hair like this length, then you can just tie it into a short pony. Hope this helps.